Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and in this video I want to talk about setting up ConvertKit to work with purchases with FastMember and Fastflow, so that basically once a user makes a purchase on your FastMember site, the purchases will actually appear inside ConvertKit on the Purchases tab. And we were testing this user earlier. There's nothing happening on this particular user. So what I'm going to do is walk us through the process using this same user so we can kind of see the path that this user takes, and so there should be a history that happens here and how we set this up with FastMember as well. So we're going to come into our FastMember site and basically want to make sure that each of the FastMember products actually has a form attached to it. So there's a free product here, and then there's a monthly product and a yearly product. And if we go into the monthly product, and we just want to make sure the autoresponder integration is set to ConvertKit, and then choose a form for that product. So inside ConvertKit I set up a few forms. So this is the monthly form, and what we're going to do is add that user to ConvertKit through that form. There's also the integrations here where we can add a tag, so there's a monthly tag there as well that will be applied. Okay, and then the next step is to make sure that the next product is added as well, so we'll just do that quickly. So we'll choose ConvertKit, select our form, make sure any tags we want applied are set, and then just update the product. Okay, so FastMember is now set up to sync with ConvertKit for the products purchased. We're actually using a fast form to add the payment form. So there's a separate video that explains how fast forms works, but we've also added a checkout form into fast forms, so that basically when the user fills out the checkout form, they'll get added to the checkout form inside ConvertKit, and then if they don't complete the purchase, we can add them to a cart abandon sequence. So I'll show you how to set that up in a separate video, but first off, let's test this out. So we're going to visit our sales page in a window where we're not logged into the site, and we're going to fill out this form, and we'll use a new user for this so we can see the full path that they take. So Dave SMV, this is my test email address, and we'll put ConvertKit test. Okay, so let's go to the next step. So we're now on the actual card payment section. We can check inside ConvertKit if there's a user added. Okay, so that user's added, but they haven't actually purchased yet. So as I said, the purchase form was set up with fast forms, and I'll show you how to set that up in a separate video. But if we now complete the purchase, so we're going to do the test card details. So you see success here, and that should log the user in. We're taken to the thank you page, and there's an offer here using the Fast Stripe add-on. We can verify they're logged in here. We can actually now go into ConvertKit and make sure that they've actually been added as a purchased user. So if we click on this user, so we just check the forms that were added through, so the checkout, the monthly, and then any purchases. And there you can see the purchases appeared for the monthly product. So what we can do now is test the upsell. So there's an offer here, and they may want to take it, so they just click the order now button using their saved card details. And that should now add them into ConvertKit again through the other form and update the purchases. So just refresh this user. And now you can see 2 purchases are added. And we've got the full transaction details and the integration through FastMember, obviously. So the setup is really quite straightforward. You can see the forms they were added through here. And you can also see the tags that were applied as well when they made the purchases. So as I said, there's another video explaining how to set up the fast form so that you can basically create a 2-step checkout form or any other type of form on your website, and I recommend you check that video out as well.